This video takes the raw i5 model as an example and explains how to use iSmartEV PO1 to detect the problem of the battery life of the new energy vehicle battery pack. Step 1. Disconnect the 12V power supply of the vehicle, that is, remove the negative wire of the battery. Step 2. Use the lift to lift the vehicle. During this process, please strictly abide by the operating specifications of the lift. Step 3. Find the low voltage communication interface of the battery pack. Use the raw i5 battery pack special connector TL114Y to connect the iSmartEV box and the low voltage communication interface of the battery pack, and connect the iSmartEV box to the power supply. Step 4. Enter the main interface, click Battery Diagnose. Step 5. Swipe up and down to select the model, as shown in the figure below, or you can enter the model to search and choose. Step 6. Enter the battery pack connection mode selection interface and select non-standard connector diagnosis. Step 7. Read the detailed data of the battery pack and generate the following test results. According to the test results of iSmartEV PO1, we can clearly see the problems in the vehicle battery test process. The minimum voltage of the battery pack is 3.292 volt, the maximum voltage is 3.327 volt, and the voltage difference is 35 mV, which exceeds the normal voltage range of 30 mV. For this failure, you can choose charging and discharging equipment and module equalizer equipment in the new Energy series, developed by SmartSafe for maintenance. After troubleshooting, use iSmartEV PO1 to test again if the cell voltage still exceeds the normal range. It is considered an internal fault of the cell, and the entire battery module needs to be replaced. Well, this is the end of the iSmartEV PO1 test. Welcome to follow the SmartSafe EV official WeChat and official website. For more product information, goodbye.